this is basically, I did the video for what's that? Explaining my rig. Now I'll explain for my sound. I guess. Just get that in the way. It's just because of the miking stuff. So okay. Ringtone. And I always step on my chorus, add a little shimmer. My arts phaser. I have a little bit of reverb and delay, and then the fall effects like. And then my overdrive. So for my overdrive. A bit more. Okay. For my dirtier sound, here it is. A little more heavier, I guess. Drop D-ing. If I want to push like a little bit like for lead part, I know you don't hear basically the difference, but I engage the BB preamp. Much more sustained, I guess. Just with my dirty sound. With the BB preamp. A little bit nicer. Now for leads, I use the flashback for added delay. For longer delays, I use the DD7. Those Gilmore-ish edges sound. Doesn't trail off. Okay. Now for my secret weapon, as you can see there. Okay, so engage, not engage. hear it. Let's add a little bit of distortion. And that's basically it. The sound.